I'm Elizabeth Wiseman. I'm a fashion and commercial photographer based out of St. Louis, Missouri. I'm known for photographing people. I do everything from small market model testing to corporations with 40,000 employees. I started photography in sort of a funny way. I was on set anyway, working at a modeling agency. And I had to make sure that the models were wearing the right clothes, that they were posing the correct way, and it seemed redundant. One day I turned to my boss and I said, what if I do this myself? And to this day, I find that that approach still works for me. I take responsibility for all the aspects of my shot. I feel like if I was really put to it, I am the one that can make the final call on whether or not the hair and makeup looks good, the wardrobe looks good. I think when people say that's not my job, or oh, I can't take that job on unless I have the top supporters, that's fine, I get that. We all want to have the very best people surrounding us, but it's not always going to happen. But really what our job is as a photographer is to say, I know these circumstances exist, but in the end, the buck stops with me and I'm going to make the right decisions. One of the things I would love to see change about the photography industry is how welcoming it is to young women. Women are taught to be afraid to fail. And so in a commercial context where there's a lot of people looking at you, women feel like they're going to fail in a very visible way. And I think that keeps women out of the industry. We need to open it up and say it's okay to fail. That's what men have done for generations of commercial photography, but women are just now learning that. You shouldn't be afraid to take beautiful images with whatever materials you have available. I hope that there's women out there who see that and push harder than they would have otherwise. A model test is an opportunity for a photographer and a model to build their portfolios together. If you start in model testing, it's going to open doors in the fashion photography field. The end result that needs to happen in a great model test is that that model looks their absolute best. When photographers fail at this, it's not because they're bad photographers. It's because they just don't know what agencies and agency-represented models really need. In this tutorial, you're going to learn who to shoot and how to shoot them. Okay, I think we might do a hair and makeup change at this point. Exactly. That arm can even yes, 1 foot bent that way and turn this foot this way. You're gonna learn about working with modeling agencies to shoot quality models. I love that because that lengthens your legs, which your agents will love, so bring that back out. Kick that foot. Good. You're gonna see me shoot 2 different types of models. We're gonna take one model that's considered editorial. Go for it. Yes. And another model that's considered commercial. So let's do that hand. Let's wrap it around your neck. And then we're gonna lean in and give me a little laugh. Perfect. Love that. We're gonna use simple lighting, some natural light, some strobe. And then you're gonna open up your body to me as you come in here. So let's try it. Perfect. Yes, perfect, good. And simple camera techniques. I love when I come lower with a model and they look like above me. It just exaggerates that. To get the quality that you want in as fast as possible time. Good. I think we've got that. With this tutorial, you're gonna get my comprehensive posing guide. This is a great resource to see what types of poses agencies are gonna wanna see from a successful model test. Oh, gosh, I love that. I'm gonna give you an email template to send to modeling agencies. It's gonna have the right tone and the right language that's gonna increase your success rate. My favorite thing that you're gonna get from this tutorial is my top secret packing list. It's gonna make your process so much easier and it's gonna give agencies exactly what they want. Whether your goals are to build a new portfolio, monetize model testing, or take that next step in your fashion photography career, these resources are foundational so that those things are easy, seamless, and quick for you. Lighting for model tests is not about showing off. Industry standard is one light source. I use natural light that's available to me, and I also use one strobe. One of the things that's awesome about that is it allows me to focus on the communication with my model. I can stay in tune with her. I can be reading her expressions. I can be showing her how to pose more. I can be getting really nuanced things without thinking, oh, is that setting quite right? Or, oh, if she turns that way, am I getting too much shadow? The other thing it allows me to do is move really quickly. And in model testing, especially if you want to monetize this, it really needs to be something that is smooth and fast. I am still gonna start with a face shot, because that's what we always do. I still wanna get ones that are not, no other hands, no other things involved. And I think for this one, because your hair is straighter, let's keep some really straight on and really strong, okay? And then we can go left to right, and then we'll bring in the shoulders. But let's start right straight on. Let me just take one test shot really quick, just to make sure I've got everything that I need. Girl, you look good, let's do it. Perfect. Oh, I love that. Hold there, tilt this way just a little, just so I can straighten you up. Perfect, yes. Use your eyebrows even a little bit more. Yes. Good. Nice choice. Stay there. I like that choice. Love the mouth parted. Let me get you back straight to me. Put your thumb on your belt loop. I don't think I'm gonna see it. It's just gonna give you kind of something to do. Perfect. I love the highlights on your makeup are amazing. When you have your chin up, let's try that. Great. Let's even cheat like strong left and right with the chin up. Oh, love. Good, make sure the eyes, when you go up, everybody's eyes tend to get small. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna move this fan back just a little bit. Good. Perfect. Okay. Back at it, ready? Great, let's get you this way, which will add even a little more edginess to it because it's gonna be shadowy. And then you're gonna bring your chin in this way, into your hair. Don't worry about that, I'll fix it. Chin even more deep, 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 right there, and then down, right there. Top of your head this way. Let me just check it to make sure those shadows aren't too much. Oh no, they're lovely. Open just a little. Yeah, excellent. Good, push to me with your whole energy. Everything, and actually physically move to me just a little bit, yes. Even more this way, push, 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 yes. Good, top of your head this way, and then raise your eyebrows just a little. Nice. Amazing. All right, I'm gonna move back just a little. This is gonna be to your hip. This outfit has a cool element to play with, which is the jacket and the belt. I'm gonna move the fan back just a little bit more. Let me switch my lens, because as we come down that far, I make sure I see all your movement. Okay. I like where your instincts took you, and just react to your jacket. You know, there's things that you can do to kind of pull on it. I love where your hands are on the belt. Really nice. Good. Good. And since you have that little piece of skin showing, let's draw attention to it by bringing your hand up to it. Yeah. Good. Let's look away for a few, just we haven't done that much. Yeah. Let's look towards the windows. Good, back to the, with your hands back to the belt. Good. Good, all right, I'm gonna come all the way full body now. I only wanna do a couple of them with the jacket belted, and then I wanna unbelt it so that you can really utilize it. Oh, I love that choice. Yeah, what I would love to see is making a choice with your hands and your feet in every single shot. I think that's gonna be cool. What if we do a variation on that thing we were doing with the step before? Keeping your hands here is cool, that gives me interest on your hand. And we just kind of pick the foot up and place it. And then pick it up and place it. And it's gonna be kind of an edgy energy. Go for it. Good. Why don't I have you look different directions while you do that? That'll feel like it's really dynamic. Okay, go for it. Good, do those stomps for me. And don't be afraid to do it similarly every time, that's fine. Good. Good. Right there, do that twist this way. And then what I want you to do is just for a couple of shots, because I really want to feel this shot, I want you to go up and down. I want you to do it 3 times. Good. Great. Really nice. Let's lose the jacket. Amy, you want to come help her? Actually, let's just lose the belt, and then we're going to kind of incrementally take the jacket off. With an editorial model, I am embracing shadows. And one of the things that does is it highlights really great bone structure or a little bit of a sharper line. And so in natural light, I'm not necessarily going to face her towards the light. I will embrace, if she turns slightly away, that there might be a shadow that falls under the cheekbone or under the jawline. This is also something that I look for when I use a strobe. I tend to use a softbox with a hard edge instead of an umbrella. I do feather it off the face just a little bit so that we do get a nice wash of light across the face, but I'm going to keep that edge on the side, and I'm going to allow the light to fall off on the opposite side of the strobe so that we still find that face to be really well shaped and to show off her beautiful bone structure. Yeah, go ahead and unbutton it. So, because what I like to see is just a couple where you're kind of using it where it is, and then I want to see it drop to your elbows, and then I want it to see drop all the way down. Let's do that incrementally. Good. Good. Pull it off the shoulders and let it fall all the way to the elbows. Yeah, I love that. Great. Good. Good. I'm going to move backwards in time a little bit and get some more 3/4, and then I'm going to come back because I really like showing all your shoulders, and then I'm going to come full body again. Really good. Do a couple where you actually like put it back up on your shoulders and drop it back down. It's going to feel awkward, and there might be some that don't work, but that's okay. Sometimes we get the best stuff when it's something we're fighting a little. Go for it. Yes. 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 Thank you for just being all in on it. That's a difficult thing to do. Perfect. See if you can get it back up onto your shoulders all the way for a couple. Yes. Good. I want to try that full. I'm just backing up a little. Do that exact same goal. Yes. Really good choices. Good. I love the fearlessness of it. Don't ever lose that. Don't ever be afraid to try things. Perfect. Take it one more time and see if you can get it all the way up on your shoulders and be kind of square onto me as you do it. Look right at me. Let the whole thing be kind of square. Perfect. Go for it. Good. Let's use a box. Let's do a full, an upright box for her. I don't really want your shots to look like they've all taken place in the same day, so we do try to give a little diversity, but if we repeat some elements a little bit, nobody's going to notice. Okay. Perfect. Have a seat. Yeah, let's get it so the shoulders are showing. Might start 3/4 on this shot. Let me just check my light, just because whenever you get down low, it gets a little tricky on your bone structure. I think it's great. All I would say is, since we're a little bit more below our light, I wouldn't drop your chin super low, but there's a cool opportunity to get some nice shapes by going up. Yes, thank you. Love that. Really helpful when you listen to that kind of stuff. Really good. Let me turn you to the side, and then we might come back to this when I come full body. Right now I'm kind of just at your knees. Love that slouch and that boyishness. Really kind of embrace that even with your expression. You know, let it be kind of strong eyebrows, open mouth. You just, no, I think you're good. Open to me just a little bit more. Yes. Good. I'm going to come full. Look away for some of these. Nice choice. I love that. Chin to your shoulder. And then up a little. Yes. Good. Remember how I said we might come back middle? Let's try that again. I love that because that lengthens your legs, which your agents will love. So bring that back out. Let's do that one in and that one out. I love a little asymmetry. Perfect. Good. Chin up for me. Good. I think my back. A little bit of fan. Let me get some space between your body and your arms just to get a little, one more extra line in the shot. Good. Can your hands move? And since I'm not moving your feet, I want a little bit of a dynamic going. Honestly, there's so many amazing ones in here. I'm gonna come and get this angle of your face just because it's stunning. Turn your chin this way a little. And then I'm gonna bring your shoulder to me this way. You can move your shoes too if you want to. And then chin up a little. Top of your head this way, just a little. More. And then your chin down. Really good. We're done with this one. Way to go. Let's get one more look change going. You'll see me use natural light and strobes for the commercial model and the editorial model. I do this for two reasons. The first reason is it creates diversity in the portfolio, what the agencies love to see. It feels like the models had more than one shoot. The other reason is the quality of light is going to look different on the model, and so we're going to be able to show different types of beauty very easily. So pay attention to these things when you watch me shoot. You'll see me move seamlessly from natural light to strobes.